28-day challenge, day number 6. I'm Bruno, and I'm the author of 28 Days to Unlock Your Inner Black Belt.
Let's go!
Day 6 is all about capturing your moves, using video analysis for self-improvement. Today's challenge is film yourself. Take out your camera and let's go. Whatever you want to film, it's fine. You can film your training, you can film yourself playing an instrument, or you can film yourself just talking into the camera, or you can explain something and film yourself. This doesn't have to be very long or very complicated. Just keep it simple. In our lives, when we do things, we have an image in our head, what we look like, what we sound like, but a lot of times, in reality, this is totally different. Capture yourself on video, check yourself out. You're gonna learn a lot, you might like it, you might not like what you see, all good. We can always learn something. Remember day 1, keep a beginner's mind. See you tomorrow for day number 7.